Hey guys, I'm making a video about an antique multi-tool. It's about, I think it's almost 40 or 50 years old. It's got a bone handle. And, yeah, it's got a full-size fork, a one-way saw, and then it's also got, can openers. And on this side it's got a full-size spoon, and then there's a little pair of scissors, and then there's this, like, I'm not sure what it is, that is slightly sharpened on it, and then there's also, I'll try lifting this thing up here, there's also this knife here. Yeah, it all fits in there, except the spoon and the fork are on the outside here, on the outside right here, and then yeah, but it's a pretty good tool. That's the knife again. Yeah. Oh yeah, almost forgot. And on this side there's also there's a cork thing on here, and then a file. What else is there? And it's like this little piece of metal. I'm not sure what the heck it's for, but yeah. Anyway guys, like the video, subscribe to our channel. We're getting better with our videos every time we do one. I think we are, at least. Yeah, anyway, see you guys later.